Hare Krishna, dear students, welcome to the grammar class. In the last class, we were learning about the degrees of comparison. So, open up to page number 42 and look at the next topic, using the degrees of comparison. Look at these sentences. The rabbit is as clever as the fox. Gobind is as sincere as Rahim. The construction as suggests equality. मतलब कि इनसे हमें ये पता चलता है कि दो चीज़ें जिनकी हम बात कर रहे हैं वो दोनों इक्वल हैं. फ्रेम सिमिलर सेंटेंसेस यूजिंग दीज वर्ड्स. आपको ये वाले वर्ड्स यूज करके इसी टाइप के सेंटेंसेस प्रैक्टिस करके देखने हैं. द डांसर इज एज ग्रेसफुल एज अ स्वान. द एंट इज एज हार्डवर्किंग एज अ बी. Mr. Lal is as tall as Mr. Singh. Bunty is as playful as a puppy. Reema is as beautiful as her mother. मतलब कि ये comparison तो है, but it states equality. मतलब कि जिन दो चीज़ों का comparison किया है वो equally अच्छे हैं या equally बुरे हैं. Look at these sentences. Oranges are dearer than bananas. Jawar is more intelligent than Hanif. With comparative degree, we often have to use than. Frame similar sentences using these words. This is also for oral practice. इसको आपको बस orally practice करना है. Gold is more costly than silver. Seema is prettier than Neelu. A train journey is more comfortable than a bus journey. The sun is larger than the earth. Iron is heavier than wood. Now look at these sentences. Sushil is the best friend I have. Juhi is the tallest girl in the class. With superlative degree, we often have to use the. The क्या होता है children? The is the article. The is a definite article. मतलब हम the कब यूज करते हैं जब हम किसी एक particular चीज या इंसान को point out करते हैं. So whenever we use superlative degree, we talk about someone particular, okay, someone in particular. तो इसीलिए हम उसके साथ the लगाते हैं. Frame similar sentences using these words for oral practice. Mr. L.N. Saraf is the richest person in our city. Madhuri is the loveliest girl in this group. David Copperfield is the most interesting novel I have ever read. Rohit is the best batsman in our team. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Okay children, now look at practice time 10.1. Look at the ages of all the children given here. Javed is 7 years old. Raghav is 8 years old. Rahul is 6 years and 5 months old. Gaurav is 7 years and 6 months old. Madhav is 7 years and 6 months old. Kishan is 6 years and 8 months old. So now what we have to do is fill in the blanks with older than, the oldest, as old as, younger than and the youngest. So Kishan is dash then Javed. Kishan Javed से छोटा है. So Kishan is younger than Javed. Madhav is dash Kishan. Madhav Kishan से बड़ा है. Hence we will say Madhav is older than Kishan. The dash boy in the class is Rahul. सबसे छोटा. The youngest boy in the class is Rahul. Raghav is the dash boy in the class. Oldest, सबसे बड़ा. Gaurav is dash Madhav. गौरव और माधव की एज बराबर है, इसीलिए गौरव is as old as Madhav. Now let's look at the next topic, little and few. Both little and few convey the same idea, but little is an adjective of quantity whereas few is an adjective of number. Little is used with countables, few is used with countables. A little oil, a little milk. Oil and milk are uncountable, hence little is used with uncountables. A few players, a few bricks. Bricks and players are countables, hence we used few with them. Next comes the usage of much and many. Like little and few, much and many also convey the same idea. But much is an adjective of quantity whereas many is an adjective of number. मतलब much water, much rice. Water and rice are uncountable. Many students, many candles. Students and candles are countable. Little with countables, much with little and much with uncountables, few and many with countables. So let's look at the next exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. हमें blanks दिए हुए हैं, empty blanks, and we have been given some options. So we have to fill in the blanks with the options given. The child has already shown dash progress, much progress. Mona has dash friends than Ritu. Fewer या less, fewer friends than Ritu. We need dash more people to complete the work. We need a few more people to complete the work. I have dash work to do, much work to do. Can you spare a little money? Fill in the blanks with correct degree of adjectives given in the brackets. Did the principal make any dash announcement important? What was the most important point under discussion? क्योंकि हम यहाँ पे सुपरलेटिव डिग्री की बात कर रहे हैं कि सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट. ही हैज़ डैश फ्रेंड्स देन आई हैव. उसके फ्रेंड्स ज़्यादा हैं मुझसे भी. मोर फ्रेंड्स देन आई हैव. टुडे इज़ द डैश डे ऑफ दिस सीजन. सबसे ज़्यादा गर्म मतलब हॉटेस्ट डे ऑफ दिस सीजन. दिस एसे इज़ वेरी बैड. क्योंकि हम एक ही एसे के बारे में बोल रहे हैं. वी आर डिक्लेयरिंग दैट इट इज़ वेरी बैड. दिस एसे इज डैश देन द वन यू रोट यस्टरडे. ये दो चीज़ों का कंपैरिजन है, इसीलिए हम कंपैरेटिव डिग्री यूज करेंगे. दैट विल बी दिस एसे इज वर्स देन द वन यू रोट यस्टरडे. ओके चिल्ड्रन, तो हमारी चैप्टर नंबर 10 की सारी एक्सरसाइजेस भी डिस्कस हो गई हैं. So before the next class you are going to study about the degrees of comparison. आप सब कुछ अच्छे से रीड करेंगे, important definitions को नोटबुक में नोट डाउन करेंगे, and you will be solving all the exercises in the book itself. Okay children, see you in the next class. Hare Krishna, have a nice day.